insecure.
Ugh, I hate being insecure.
Right? I'm not even insecure at all.
I don't understand why my hair is so messy, so stupid, and my boobs are so small. God. I'm so pretty. I don't even need makeup. Like I said, no makeup.
Oh my god, I'm getting so fat. You know what? From now on, I'm gonna start drinking water.
What happened to your diet?
Ugh,
I hate girls who say they can dance and can't dance.
I can totally dance.
That's how you dance?
I dance so perfect, right?
No.
Don't even say anything.
Oh.
I dance perfect. Just say it. Just say it because you know it. Say it because you know it. Say it, say it, say it because you know it. I'm going to dance even more.
This girl is so annoying.
Take a picture of me.
I'm not taking pictures.
You suck.
I'm so bored. What should we do?
Facebook!
It says that you have a message.
From who?
Brian!
Oh, it's Ryan.
Stop.
What?
It says he wants his stuff back.
What does he mean by his stuff? What stuff does he want? Oh, my stuff. Okay. I got my boyfriend back, Brian! Yeah! Everybody tells me how my boyfriend's cheating on me, but I love him, he loves me, so I trust him.
I heard you're back with Nicole.
Oh, that chick? Psh, please, I don't even want her. I've been playing her this whole time with the girl, Ashley.